Hi guys, today we'll see Slack Administrator Certification Maintenance Spring 24. Right, so which new feature for Enterprise Grid allows an admin to uh, reassign canvases owned by the deactivated member. Right, so that is so canvas ownership transfer. So, what are the primary capabilities of a new security admin system role in a enterprise grid plan? So, manage sessions and deactivate accounts. Which analytics dashboard allows to admin to review visual audio, visual meeting statistics in Slack? So, that is Huddle's dashboards. True or false? An admin can set a new Slack connect channel invitations to be automatically accepted. Yes, true. So, how often does a DLP admin receive a email digest of DLP violations according to their time zone? So, twice per day. That's it. So, now check the quiz. Done. So, we successfully completed Slack Administrator Certification Maintenance 2024. Thank you.